Picks him back up. Throws him in the corner. There's the moonsault kick. Bounces at the ropes. Oh, into a hurricanrana this time. He usually does a tilt-a-whirl move like a small package or... Wait, and now he's just being arrogant here. Wait a minute. Just announced 2.0 right behind him. And he counters it. No, counter. Now he fights it. Gets the gut. Another kick. Oh, it jumps over. Oh! Nice cross chop there. It looked like he tried for Rolling Thunder again, but no. So he ducked it. Oh! God, what a clothesline! Takes Justin Alex out. That may be it. 1, 2, and no. Almost it. With Justin Alex 2.0. Another hurricanrana. And throws him into leapfrogged it. Arm drag. And leapfrogged again. Wait a minute. Justin Alex not falling for it this time. He backs up. Going for Rolling Thunder once more, and he hits the Rolling Thunder. And this time connects with the moonsault. And then he gets the Pierce's elbow. Springboards into a hurricanrana. 1, 2, and no. Sergio just kicked out. Oh! Nice wheel kick there. Another one. Spin kick. Another spin kick. Oh, another wheel kick. My God. His kicks. Just gotta watch out for those educated feet there. Now going up top. For maybe that headbutt. No. Moved out of the way. Sergio knew it was coming. Justin Alex has beaten many people with... He beat The Undertaker for the first time with that. And he faced The Undertaker Bleed for Glory twice. And then faced him finally at Smash. At Smash at the Beach. Oh, and there's a spine buster. When he finally faced him at Smash at the Beach, he won the title. But he's holding right now the world title. We haven't seen much of The Undertaker since. Dude, I wonder if he just retired maybe and now it's throwing him in the corner kitchen sink. A bunch of kitchen sinks and then up! Russian leg sweep. Nice combo there. Cover. 1, 2, and no. Kick. Another kick. Another kick. He's gonna do it again. Yes, he is. Knee. Another knee. Russian leg sweep coming. Yep. Now he's going to do something else here. The corkscrew, no, he mistimed it. He mistimed the corkscrew. And it cost him. As he crashed and burned. Okay, I'm done. Justin Alex goes over, around the back, and then hits that move. I think he tried to Enziguri him, but it didn't work. And this time, no! That he's going to connect with it again, but again, Sergio. One step ahead of Justin Alex 2.0. Oh! Again with that clothesline, turning Justin Alex inside out. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No counters. Again, just a bunch of counters here by Sergio. Now Sergio, what's he thinking here? Top on the turnbuckle, what's he got? Oh, Astro Scissors Whip! Oh, no. Wait a minute, Sergio calling for it here. There's the God's last call! Cover 1, 2, and no, he kicked out. And then counter by Justin Alex. Goes around and Dylan spikes him with a DDT. That may be it. Cover. 1, 2, and no. My God. Great matchup, and we've only just begun with this matchup. Main event. Here, wait. Twisted Destiny coming. There's the Twisted Destiny. Twisted Destiny, I mean. Is that what I said? That's what I said. Twisted Destiny. Wait, no. Sergio. Right back up. Oh. The kick. Square in the face of Justin Alex 2.0. Oh, and he doesn't really think. Oh! His knees hit the arms. Well, the one arm of Justin Alex 2.0. He didn't fully hit that moonsault, but took a lot out of Sergio as well. But Justin Alex may have an injured arm there. Sergio can fly there. Oh! Takes out the arm once more. We're just working on that arm. Justin Alex 2.0. And again. Just takes him down. And now, he's going for that. Go to sleep! As we've seen him use that. But no, he's not going to try that again. Wait, and then instead he does a standing moonsault. 1, 2, and no. Wait, oh! I said you have to watch out for those feet. That's a perfect example there. Wait, then there's a roll-up. 1, 2, and no. Oh, Enzuigiri takes him down. 1, 2, and no. Kick. And now, more kicks in the corner. Oh no. Seeing what Justin Alex can do here. If he... Wait, no, he gets shoved off. Thought he was gonna... Wait, and there's Codebreaker out of nowhere! Shades of his mentor, Chris Jericho, too! And no, Justin Alex kicks out. Close but no cigar there for Sergio. The counter. Wait, a roll up. 1, 2, and 3! Sergio got it! Sergio with a roll-up got the pin. I can't believe this. Watch this. The Codebreaker out of nowhere. I believe Justin Alex was still dazed after that, and then it allowed him to do this. Inside cradle sort of maneuver. Yeah, I think it was an inside cradle. And Sergio picks up the victory. This is a surprise, as Justin Alex and his momentum doesn't look so good going into Pain, Love, and Sacrifice. The crowd's stunned by this as well. Thanks for watching Friday Night Backlash. We'll see you at Pain, Love, and Sacrifice pre-show. This is Boy 68 Sexy, signing out.